Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Pinterest. So if you want to sign up for Pinterest, this is what you need to do. First of all, open up your Pinterest app. As you open up the app, you land on an interface like this that will ask you to either sign up or log in. Since you're trying to create a new account, tap on sign up. Now as you tap on sign up, you will be asked your email address. So type in your email address. Here I'm typing in my email address. And then tap on next. After tapping on next, now you can create a password. So now here I'm going to create a password. And then tap on next again. Now add in your age. So here I'm just going to add in my age and then tap on next again. Now you'll have to choose your gender. So here I'm just gonna tap on specify another and then tap on none and then tap on done. Here I'll have to choose my country or region. Here I've already chosen my country, so I'm just gonna have to tap on next. And then here I can choose 5 or more topics that interest me. So I'll just scroll through things, and then after choosing things I can simply tap on next. The next button is on the top right corner. And here, Pinterest is now finding some pins for me. And then as you can see, I have been signed up for my Pinterest account. So this is how you create your account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave your comments on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.